Hello dolls, welcome back to Dollface TV. Most of us are going crazy during this quarantine. We have methods for shaving our legs, our armpit, waxing our face. But what we gonna do about these brows, honey? Don't you hide and don't you be ashamed. That's what I'm here for. We are gonna go through methods to groom these eyebrows at home because you know we can't get to a salon for somebody else to do it, so we gotta help ourselves. Let's get started. Okay, dolls, so the first thing you're gonna need is a brow razor, cuticle scissors, tweezers, and a brow brush with a spoolie on the end preferably. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is take that brow brush and use the spoolie end to brush the eyebrow hair upward and out so you can see what you're working with. Oh my god, my eyebrows are toe up, but this is what we're here to fix. I'm just gonna keep brushing the hair out so I can really see where those stray hairs lie so I can pluck them with the tweezers. So next I'm going to go in with the tweezers and pluck the stray hairs around the eyebrow. So you want to pluck your eyebrows in the shape that you want them to be in, whether it's straight or arched. Mine is arched, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to pluck the eyebrow hair around the arch. Be careful, be very, very careful not to pluck the main part of the eyebrow because it's really easy to over pluck, and I don't want y'all to do that. Just pluck the stray hairs, and if you need to see, you can always keep brushing the hair, but just pluck the hairs that don't belong. Once you're done plucking, you take that brow razor and go underneath your eyes. Sometimes it helps to hold your eyebrow upward so that you won't cut the skin, or you can get a real good nice clean cut under your eye. But you want to clean that up because trust me, the little peach fuzz under there makes a difference when you're doing eyeshadow. So just go ahead and get that out the way. Okay, guys, so by now you should be seeing a cleaner shape than you had at first. You should be feeling optimistic about where this is headed. Okay, now, so you just want to take your brow brush with the spoolie in and brush the hair downward, because what we're going to do next is go back in with that brow razor and go on top of the brow and just clean that area up. Not too much, just get the little hairs above there. Stop right before your eyebrow line. Stop. Do not cut your eyebrows off trying to be cute. Just very, very gently shape the top of your eyebrow. Okay, now you're going to go back in with your brow brush and take the spoolie, brush the hair upward, because the next thing you're going to do is take those cuticle scissors and cut the hair around your brow at the top. The only hairs that you'll be cutting at the top are the hairs that are longer than the other ones. You just want to shape your eyebrows, so make them all even. That is a goal. Alright, once you have shaped the top of your eyebrow, now you're going to take the spoolie again and brush your eye hair down. So you can take the cuticle scissors and shape the bottom, and you want to make that even as well. You don't want to cut too much. I just trimmed a little bit because it's very easy to cut a lot at the bottom. That hair still contributes to the overall shape of your brow, so please do not over trim. Okay, but now your eyebrows are done. You should be feeling real cute. They look shaped. They look groomed, look like you just stepped out the salon. So now you have a perfect canvas to draw them however you want them to look. And don't just stop at those eyebrows. Go ahead and do a full face. I mean, why not? You can be cute in isolation. But for real, dolls, follow this routine as needed. And as always, it's been real. Y'all stay safe and stay inside. And I'll see y'all in the next video.